until the end of last year, I hadn't been on a bike in 30 years.
Oh, look, that suspension just eats it up.
I love using it. It's been a huge benefit, getting from A to B.
The days vary. When I'm at work, I'll drop Reese off at school first and then carry on to work, which has been an absolute game changer because it's so much quicker than driving.
Our commute is all uphill, hence the electric. It really does help. Much prefer going about 10 to 15 miles per hour instead of 4, crawling in a hot, sweaty mess. And it's just nice to wake up and put normal clothes on and just go for a ride.
I'll always take my bike into work. I can get back quickly if I need to for the baby, because where my studio is, it's not that far from home. It's a 20-minute walk, which if you've got a baby who's crying, it's quite a long time. So now with my bike, it's good that I can just get to and from work quickly.
It's been really easy cycling for somebody who knows nothing about maintaining bikes.
Very often as an MP, I have to go to lunch or dinner or to events outside the estate. And rather than go on the underground, I go on this.
So here, by having this bike, I can actually be the mum, do the school drops, get my kids to swimming lessons for 8:30 on a Saturday, and still go to uni.
My commute into work is pretty flat from here to Holborn, maybe 8.5 miles. It's a nice ride with some inclines, but this just it's just effortless. It's really, it's a joy to ride.
It's actually been a lot easier getting used to it than I thought it would be. And any sort of reservations that I had beforehand have been quickly dispelled. It's just made life a lot easier.
If you just want something really easy to jump on, just get this bike. The belt drive is amazing. The feel of the 2-speed gearbox is really natural. It feels a little bit uncanny, like it's cheating. It's just a fantastic little bike that ticks all the boxes, and I honestly think a lot of people can just get on with their daily lives with this and not have to worry about cars and insurance and tax. Or you just want to get out there and get some exercise, it's perfect.
Outdoors is best. We can get A to B under our own steam, and we can do it safely, we can do it happily, and we can do it with good strong legs and build stamina. Honestly, it's a really good lesson for those who follow it. We're building a generation of cyclists.